Characteristics of op-amp. So general operational amplifier. An operational amplifier generally consists of three stages, namely differential amplifier, additional amplifier stages to provide record voltage gain and DC level shifting, and emitter follower or source follower output stage to provide current gain and low output resistance. A low frequency or a DC gain of approximately 10 power 4 is desired for a general purpose op amp, and hence the use of active load is preferred in the internal circuitry of an op amp. The output voltage is required to be at ground when the differential input voltage are zero. Moreover, as the input bias currents are to be very small of the order of picoamperes, and FET input stage is normally preferred. The figure shown as in the general of an amplifier using JFET input device. This is the diagram for an op amp with a JFET device. So gain stage of that one is the second stage of gain stage uses a Darling transistor for the formed by Q8 and the Q9 as shown in the figure. The transistor Q8 is connected as an emitter follower providing large input resistance. Therefore, it minimizes the loading effect on the input differential amplifier. The resistors Q9 provides an additional gain and Q10 acts as an active load for this stage. The current mirror formed by Q7 and Q7 establishes the bias current of an Q9. The VBE drop across Q9 and the drop across R5 constitute the voltage drop across R4, and this voltage sets the current to Q8, and it can be set as to be a small value. The output stage. The final stage of an op amp is a class AB complementary push-pull output stage. Q11 is an emitter follower providing large input resistance for minimizing the loading effects on the gain stage. Bias current Q11 is provided for the current mirror formed by Q7 and the Q12 through Q13 and Q14 for minimizing the crossover distribution. The transistor can also be used in the place of the two diodes, where AD is the gain of the differential amplifier stage, A2 is the gain of a second stage gain stage, and A3 is a gain stage of an output voltage. So IC741 bipolar operational amplifier. IC741 produces since 1966 by several manufacturers. The input differential amplifier, it gives the end gain stage, it gives the output stage. A bias circuit is used to establish the bias current of the whole circuit in the IC. What is bias circuit? The reference bias circuit IREF for the 741 circuit is established by the bias circuit consists of two diodes connected transistor Q11 and Q12 and resistor R5. The wire current force formed in the by Q11 and Q10 R4 provide bias current for the differential amplifier stage at the collector of Q10. Transistor Q8 and Q9 form another current mirror providing bias current for the differential amplifier. The reference bias current IREF also provide mirrored proportional current at the collector of the double collector lateral PNP transistor Q13. The transistor Q13 and the Q12 thus form a two output current mirror, the Q13A and the 13B. Ideal op-amp characteristics. It gives an infinite voltage gain, infinite input resistance, zero output resistance RO, zero output voltage, infinite common mode rejection ratio when the common mode noise voltage is zero, infinite slew rate so that the output voltage changes occur simultaneously with the input voltage changes. Thank you.